Declaration of Independence, I think individual sovereignty and liberty was defeated today with the decision, because basically what we're saying is that Congress now has an unlimited authority when it comes to taxation. When we now are enabling the federal government to be able to go into a commerce or trade relationship with the individual American citizen, mandating a certain type of private sector commodity that they must purchase, or in the consequence there being a tax, which is now what the Supreme Court has defined this as, or some type of punitive consequence. That's not the dream of America, and that's not what this country should be about. And I think it sets a dangerous precedent as we go forward.
So you view this very much as a slippery slope?
This is very much a slippery slope. As a matter of fact, I was talking to my staff today, and I'm a big runner. So should I now introduce legislation that says that all runners in the United States of America have to wear New Balance running shoes, and if they don't, I can tax them for that. And furthermore, the President of the United States of America said that this individual mandate was not a tax. Well, this is exactly what the Supreme Court has come back and classified it as, is a tax. And so, again, this is not just about health care. This is a slippery slope, and I think that this health care law is really a tax law. We know that there are already 18 to 20 different taxes, and now we understand that the individual mandate is indeed a tax as well.
We heard Republican leadership in Washington, John Boehner, Eric Cantor, holding a press conference. They said they would be calling for a vote July 11th. What is that vote going to be about? Do you know?
Well, that vote is going to be about the fact that, the Supreme Court didn't look at this as policy. They did not look at this as a good law. We still here see that as bad policy and a bad law. As a matter of fact, that's what the former speaker said. We have to pass this bill in order to find out what is in it. And when you look at some of the things that it will do and continue to do to our small businesses, to our economy, the fact that college student education loans were nationalized in the Patient Protection and Affordable Care Act, and the Democrats were the ones that raised the interest rates up to 6.8%, and of course they're trying to blame it on House Republicans. So there are a lot of things that the American people still need to understand. We're going to work toward policy resolution, and then we're going to continue to make that pressure thereof. So we're not going to stop that, but I think that if the American people don't like the decision that was made today, I think that they will have the right type of response probably later on this year.
Florida Congressman Allen West, thanks so much for your time.
Thanks for having me.